Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulidia Anissa with NIM 241221031 from Management Morning 28. I will presentation about company income and profit to meet the final semester exam. Definition income. Income is income arising in the implementation familiar entity activities with different names like sale, reward, interest, dividend, royalty, and rent. Revenue is the amount of money received by a company or organization from its activities such as selling product and or service to customers. From the government, it is like income through tax receipts or collection. For investor, income is less important than profit, which is the amount of money received after deducting expenses. Income consists of: number 1, sales, to accommodate sales transaction. Number 2, sales return, for accommodate sales return transaction or return good if using gross method. Number 3, discount, to accommodate discount transaction if using gross method. Number 4, other revenues, to accommodate income transaction originating from outside activities. Main business activities include interest income, checking service from the account bank. Income concept. Total revenue, the total revenue of producer from the sale of their output. Total revenue is the output times the selling price of the output. Average revenue, producer revenue per unit of output sold. Marginal revenue, increase in TR caused by the sale of one additional unit of output. Definition profit. Profit or profit is one of the company's main goals in carry out their activities. Operating profit is the difference between income and total operating expenses for the period. If the difference is positive, it will result in operating profit. If the difference is negative, will generate an operating loss for the period. Kinds of profit. Pure profit, namely the profit that occurs because of the absolute excess of revenue compared to the cost of production. Normal profit, which is earned is only enough to cause the company to remain in a certain industry. Normal profit are usually experienced by companies in a competitive market. Profit contains 5 characteristics. Number 1, accounting profit is based of transaction what really happened, namely the emergence of result and cost to get result. Number 2, accounting profit is based of postulate periodic profit, which means it is the company performance in the period per time. Number 3, accounting profit is based of the principal revenue that requires a limits separately about what is included in the result. Number 4, Accounting profit requires calculation against cost in the form of historical cost issued by the company for get a certain result. Number 5. Accounting profit is based of the principle matching means the result minus the cost received or issued in the period the same one. Profit weakness. Number 1. The concept of accounting profit has not yet been formulated clearly in accounting theory called accounting rate. Unable to profit size based to determine the current value, service, and change in value. Have a grade which one to enter and not include in the calculation of profit. Disagreement between various who is the user. This not income information. Number 2. Generally accepted accounting standards still contains various ways that different and contain imperfection consistency between companies and in a certain period. Number 3. Change in the bridge level have changed meaning of profit measured by value historically, so the change in the value of money of inflation rate has not been taken into account in financial statement. Number 4. Less useful for long-term decision short. Number 5. Other information apart from historical data in value is more useful for investor in decision making. Number 6. Lack of physical and behavioral information which makes profit information more beneficial. PT Pos Indonesia TBK revenue, expenses, and net profit 2010 to 2018. PT Pos Indonesia net profit in 2018 sampai 64.2% per 2018 to 127 billion rupiah from previously 355.1 billion rupiah in 2017. This decrease became the second world record for 9 last year after an 81.2% decline in 2015 to 30 billion rupiah. Meanwhile, in terms of income and expenses, but increased 12.2% to around 4.6 trillion rupiah from the previous year of 4.1 trillion rupiah. This burden is the highest record for the last 9 years. That's my presentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.